My last video ended on a cliffhanger. I'm gonna put on this flashlight just so you guys can actually see. Stop messaging me! Sorry, my friends. They just get in the way of all my freaking vlogs and stuff. Oh crap! The shirt. It's. I hate this. I hate when my shirt rips, but it's just a tiny little rip. Oh look, it's slime. Come back. Don't even. Okay, well, I'm gonna play with this. Hi. Oh, you slanted. I don't know if you can see me, but it's alright. So this is my bubble slime. Literally. I don't know if you can see that. You're slipping. Stop slipping. Stop it. You guys are bad. Bad subscribers. I'm just kidding. No. I don't mean it. I don't mean it like that. How the frick am I gonna do it? There we go. You guys should be able to see that really well. Hey, you can see it. Dude, the whole Tide Pod challenge all over again. Just slime bubble eating challenge. You flatten like a reverse pie. Just died. Almost wrong head, dude. Extender.
Ain't getting tired.
Huh?
Ain't yet.
Actually,
The ketchup early before.
no, I'm not gonna lick it.
Oh. Why don't you say some shit that you just lied? Hurry the hell up, because I'm going to bed soon and it's going to be quiet. Come on, Royce.
That was satisfying. Wait. Guys, you can see it.
Not too bad.
Then proper. I like how it just goes.
I'm not go slow like a tiger.
Wow, that. No. Come back. Ta-da. Nice. I actually like play with it a little bit. I'm gonna try to do my bubble and bubble tactic. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Alright, that's good. Now when you get under.
So I can't do that.
Yeah?
What?
I'll show you. Alright.
I like play with this thing.
I hide the straws guys, so then no one just like uses them. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
See it back here? See this? Behind here.
This is the last one.
Alright, now I'm back to my video. Yay. You have to twist it.
Oh. What the heck, dude? You just think about the space.
Hey! It was getting too big. It was getting way too big.
It was not too big.
Yes, it was. It was literally out of the thing. Wait.
That doesn't mean it's too
Okay,
big.
you make a bubble, then I put a bubble under it, okay? Or I make a bubble.
I made a bubble too.
My new bubble, no! It just had diarrhea.
Ew. Bro, you keep messing me up.
What did you do? You messed it up.
Bro, that is so thick. Why is your slime so thick?
Because
What did you do?
I put a lot of laundry detergent in it.
God, it's so thick. I feel this, like when you squeeze it.
I know.
Here, I'm gonna blow a bubble and you squeeze it. Crap.
I can't. Wait, I'll just do one.
No, I'll do it. And squeeze it.
Oh my god, that is really thick.
That is thick. Here,
Holy crap.
let me try. Hey guys.
It's like a booger.
Ew.
The biggest booger ever.
Bro!
There's a brain now. It was taking over. Oh no! You got it on the sticky note.
Cool.
The sticky note.
Dude!
I popped yours.
Shoot.
By the way, no, she is not a furry.
No.
In fact, she hates me because I'm a furry.
No, I don't. Lily does.
Not true. Go to Lily's channel and put all the hate in the comments because
It's called Lily Kirsten.
Lily Kristen.
Furry.
Kirsten. That's
Lily
you.
Kristen.
Lily
Kristen.
Oh my
The
god.
big brain of
It was
Bud.
taking up the whole camera, I think.
Maybe.
And I cannot cover my old phone in slime.
Which was your old phone?
Huh?
Whoa! Look how it just jiggled. Okay. hold
Wait,
on.
what do you mean? Huh? Yeah, go to Lily's channel, Lily Kristen, and put all the hates in the comments. People who subscribe to me and who are furries, because she doesn't accept furries. And she's my sister somehow.
Oh, snap.
She hates me.
Roasted, Lily. Roasted.
But she's gonna get so much hate on her channel now. I kind of feel bad, but still do it, because it's terrible to do something like that.
Hate your own brother because he's a furry.
No, she's just always hated furries in general. She's freaking stupid. She don't know what us furries go through. Bubble inside of a bubble. I did it on camera. god, look at that.
Sorry, I might be eating in this video.
They probably don't care. I don't care.
Are you live?
No, I'm just creating a video.
Oh,
Well, I think I should actually end the video
why?
because it's probably going to end on itself. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes.
Hold
Alright.
on, let me just make one more bubble.
Well, I already have popped that bubble. Popped that bubble.
Okay, let's make more.
I'm sorry if you couldn't see anything. My camera quality sucks.
Come on. Show them.
Oh, duh.
Crap.
I knew it. I knew it.
Now you make one for the ending.
All right. Wait, I got it.
And I'll pop it.
It's like a freaking brain comes out of it, or an extended
Okay, guys, I'm
booger.
gonna play with it real fast. And we're gonna end this video.
All right. Goodbye.